The busy holiday season is underway, and that means many of us will be spending time with groups of family and friends. We want to remind you that your actions over the next few weeks will directly influence public health and the number of COVID-19 cases in our communities. Put simply, we need your help.
The coronavirus pandemic is impacting nearly every aspect of our lives. We understand things like wearing a mask and keeping your distance from others can be inconvenient and tiresome, but that fatigue is fueling a carelessness that's driving a sharp increase in COVID-19 cases in Pasco County. Make no mistake, health officials report the number of cases is climbing rapidly, similar to the spikes we saw in late June and early July.
We have just 3 tools to help limit the spread, and you already know what they are: washing hands, social distancing, and wearing of a mask when you cannot be 6 foot apart. Keep in mind that CDC says wearing a mask will keep you from getting and spreading COVID-19.
Health officials say we're following these guidelines at school and at work, but we're forgetting them at places like house parties and other social gatherings. Just because we're in different social settings, it doesn't mean the risk of COVID is going away. People are getting sick, and some with long-term effects. We have the tools to prevent this, but fatigue is real, especially when someone's in bed for days or weeks at a time. The last thing we want is for our community to have to reconsider the restrictions we have worked so hard to move away from. In light of the holiday season, please remember to wash your hands, social distance, and wear your mask. It's not always about me and you, it's about our community too.
Following these CDC guidelines protects the people you interact with every day, as well as your loved ones at home. We're asking you to help be the change that gets us through this pandemic safely.